Good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are safe and sound. I am Vaibhavi, your host for today. So, I will start with something about myself. I am 20 years old, just graduated, and currently working with an organization called ISEC. So, before diving into anything else, I would like to take you through a journey of impact, an impact which was created by someone and which was felt by someone. The story of Gaurav Thakur, who represents his school in the national tournament. The story of Sanjay, who is currently working in the National Institute of Design. The story of Gayatri, who completed her studies at IIHM. And the story of Vikas, who is currently pursuing CA. All of these are the students of Visamo who have stayed in the organization for 12 years and then moved out to achieve even more and created or are in the process of creating a better life for themselves. So, by now, you must have gotten an idea about the session I am going to deliver. I am going to brief you about the story of Impact, Visamo, and ISEC. Many of you here must be knowing about Visamo, the organization which is currently impacting the lives of thousands of children by being a shelter home to them and being the umbrella under which they can learn, grow, and develop. The foundation has been generous enough to help many underprivileged kids from around Gujarat to create a good life for themselves. I have personally been there in Visamo Kids Foundation, volunteering on the weekends, teaching the kids, and the way Visamo takes care of the children, it is just commendable. Now, talking about ISEC, the organization I'm currently working with, it is a youth-run organization present in over 126 plus countries. ISEC strives to develop young leaders by providing them many opportunities. ISEC has programs through which you can have an international internship experience. So you go to another country and volunteer with an organization, mostly an NPO, NGO, a foundation, or a trust, to make an impact in the world. Along with that, you also develop your leadership qualities. ISEC and Visamo partnered about 3 years ago to bring an even bigger change in the lives of many people. So through the programs of ISEC, international interns come down here in Andaman and they work with Visamo for about 1.5 months. They stay with the students and teach them in the classes. But then along with teaching, the interns bring in new perspective in the environment, provide the children with global views and help them leadership skills as well, because only education is not enough. So far, in 3 years, Visamo has had 30 international interns coming through ISEC programs, which is a great envision. Can you imagine the impact that 30 interns from 30 different countries bringing in new perspectives, new ideas, values, leadership qualities, and leadership skills with themselves, with the students of Visamo learn? Just this year, in February 2020, we had an intern, Carolina, whose native is Portugal. She came from Portugal to work here with Visamo through an ISEC program. Unfortunately, because of the pandemic and the lockdown, she could not complete her experience. But from what she has told me, she absolutely loved her experience here. And that is mostly because the people of Visamo gave her a very warm welcome. She came here for a teaching project, and the students got to learn a lot from her. And this learning is not just limited to the classroom teaching that we have about the basic subjects such as English, maths, or science. No. This is also getting to know about various cultures, their practices, the views of Carolina on her country, the political situation, the history, and the famous places of Portugal, and many more things. Now we hear that there are so many organizations around us who are working for providing education to the young generation, helping them to lead a better life by themselves. Do you ever wonder why is this particular cause, that is education, given so much of importance? Why is it relevant in today's time? Why is this cause so much worked upon? As a kid, I always wondered why my parents were so much focused on my education. But now as I grew up, I can understand what they have been talking about and why were they so concerned. And that is all for one simple thing. Your education knowledge can never be taken away from you, and it is something you will always possess. And because Visamo knows this for a fact, it has been working towards providing the right education to as many children as they can, because the foundation believes in one thing, that educating one child can subsequently change the lives of the past, present, and future generations. Now, you might be thinking that why would I say the lives of past generation? But when one person is educated, he can provide a comfortable life, or rather a much better life, to his parents or grandparents who have not been privileged enough to avail even the basic facilities such as healthcare, and have not been privileged enough to lead a good life in the past. So it does not just impact the past lives but also the coming generations, because it gives an opportunity for the future generation to shine. So this is how Visamo and ISEC together impact the society, because we believe in one thing, that educating one child can improve the living condition of his or her own family and also provide a better future to the coming generations. And imagine this as a society. I mean, so many people improving the lives of the past and future generations. And this is how a society develops. All it takes is that one spark of initiation, the one spark of deciding that you want to volunteer and do good for the society. One step towards making an impact. And this impact does not have to be a huge one. As individuals, we can bring we can bring a change in the life of people around us by helping them. And this can be an impact in itself, because we made their life better. So guys, I just want to tell one thing, that do not waste any opportunity to volunteer and work for people. Because one thing I have realized is that many of us are much more focused onto achieving things for ourselves, and we forget the true meaning of humankind, and we do not take care of the people around us, which we should not do. For the students of Visamo, I want to tell one thing. If Visamo was never built, many of you would not have gotten the opportunity to learn and grow and to build a better life for yourself. So maybe not now, because you are still small, studying in 6th class, 7th class or 8th class. But in future, when you are capable enough and successful in everything, make sure you help Visamo reach new heights. Because the lives of many other people are yet to be improved. Visamo cannot reach each and everywhere, but you being the young audience can do wonders. And believe me when I say this. As an ISECer, I can vouch for the fact that without a partner like Visamo, it would not have been possible to create the impact which we have created today. So the more we join hands, the greater impact we can make in this world. One thing I strongly believe is that because many of us are privileged enough to do so, to make an impact and to help other people, we should not hesitate a bit and work for the humankind. With this, I hope that you contribute towards making the world a better place to live. And just one last thing that I want to add, since we are talking about making an impact, ISEC has started a crowdfunding campaign that has pledged to educate 1,000 children from underprivileged families. I would heartily request you to join us in this and donate as much as you can to make the lives of those young children better, especially in this pandemic where many children are not able to attend schools and acquire the education that they deserve. Let us try to do the best we can. So I will provide the link in the comments for the crowdfunding. And that was all from my side. Thank you so much, Visamo, for inviting me here. And thank you guys for taking out your time to join the session. I really hope your time was well spent. And please reach me out in case you have any queries. Take care. Bye-bye.